Yeah, I thought I'd show you some of my eel plugs I made for this coming fall run. Nice silver. There's one. I don't put belly hooks on them, but I always have that option out on the surf to do that. Here I just put a little spinner on the belly hook just to give it a little more flash. Here's an AVA that I glittered on one side. See how that works this season. Thanks for watching.